In this video, I will show you how to fix Xiaomi Redmi Buds for Lite not connecting. Take both earbuds out of the charging case. Hold each bud in your hands, left and right. Tap the back of the both earbuds for 5 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Place them back into the case and close the lid. Open the case and reconnect your phone's Bluetooth. Now, turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Place your phone and earbuds close together and try reconnecting. Make sure the earbuds are not near strong electromagnetic sources like microwave ovens or other wireless devices. Clean the charging contacts at the bottom of the earbuds. Remove both earbuds from the case and wear them. Triple tap the touch control area on both earbuds to reset the connection. Repair the earbuds with your phone. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the connection issues with your Xiaomi Redmi Buds for Lite. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.